You know, it's again a village boy character. I think you should avoid.
It's the bond we all share.
Your social media presence was of utmost importance for you to be cast.
Cool, yeah, thank you guys.
Yeah, there's a healthy, happy environment.
Thank you guys, I'm done.
See you,
with
yeah,
this.
see you. Take care.
Hi, I'm Tanzim Pardiwala from Filmfare, and I'm here with the lovely cast of Dupaiya. We've already had some banter off camera, but I'm so excited to talk to you guys. How are we doing today?
We are doing fantastic. How are you doing?
I'm doing great.
तंजीम बहुत अच्छा नाम है, उसका मतलब क्या होता है तंजीम?
It means bringing things together.
डिपार्टमेंट.
और ये आपको किसी ने बताया कि आपने खुद ढूंढा?
Shout out to Anvita Dutt. Explain the meaning of my name to me. But okay, I watched the first couple of episodes of the show, and you know, कोई show जैसे एकदम ही दिल खुश कर देते हैं ना, like that's the kind
दिल
of
का पेट भर
feeling.
जाता है.
Yes.
That's the mind.
That's how I felt. That's how I felt. So I'm very curious to know that what were your initial reactions to the script and your characters?
Would you like to start with somebody in particular?
no,
Anybody
no,
can
just-
just. So
I
Jagajat
like
said
to
it's
try.
got to be you.
So usually क्या हो रहा है कि इतना सारा सीरियस स्टोरी देखने को मिलता है, क्राइम और थोड़ा डार्क है ना, तो उसके बीच में आप कई बार आप ना यहाँ तक भर जाता है देखते हुए भी आपको लगता है कि नहीं यार ये बहुत डिप्रेसिंग हो रहा है, ये नहीं और तो जब आप देख रहे होते हैं वही आप पढ़ भी रहे होते हैं, आपको जो स्क्रिप्ट्स आ रही होती है वो भी इसी जोन में कहीं ना कहीं होता है, तो आपके उस सब सिनेरियो के बीच में जब सलोना ने, जो हमारी प्रोड्यूसर है, उन्होंने स्क्रिप्ट शेयर किया, तो आप और मेंटली भी आप प्रिपेयर्ड होते हो, बायस्ड होते हो कि ऐसी ही कुछ स्क्रिप्ट होगी क्योंकि सब तरफ वही हो रहा है तो वही आएगा. आपने कुछ पन्ने पढ़े और आपको हंसी आना शुरू हुआ, लाफ्टर, और फिर वो स्क्रिप्ट आपने 4 दिन में ख़त्म कर दी और फिर इमीडिएटली कॉल किया कि यार ये इस शो में मुझे होना ही होना है, ये हिलेरियस है, ये वही जैसे मैं ऐसे बहुत कम काम है जिसको मैं बोलूँ कि पिछले कुछ टाइम से कि जो फैमिली के साथ आप पूरा देख सको, है ना, तो उसके बीच में ये जो मुझे नजर आया, मैंने कहा यार ये जो है ना मैं अपने पूरे खानदान को दिखा सकता हूँ, है ना, तो ये वैसा वाला काम था और मतलब
It clicks.
For me, I think this character that I've played in the series Bhugol is like an extension to me. And in my previous career, I've done a few projects which were highly driven on emotions and intense in sense. So this, you know, the script got me a chance to be at ease. You know, I can be the side that I don't show to the world. So yeah, that's what hooked me, and got a chance to work with fantastic actors around. And I think, yeah, why not? As Sir said, because you know we all were needing that breather, so that hooked me to it.
Of course.
I think, Tanzim, the sign of a good script is when it starts to ignite your imagination. That is when you feel that, you know, the script is good. And when I heard Dupaiya for the first time, I could actually, and kidding you not, I genuinely started to visualize and imagine people from the script. And the way it was written, big shout out to our writers, Chirag and Avinash. It was written so beautifully that in your head you start to direct the show. And that's a big sign for a good script. So when something like that comes to you, you just jump right at it. You don't think twice, and then you just go with your gut and you do the show and do your best so that you can do justice to the script.
Lovely. What about you?
I think as actors now, you're always looking for something different from what we have done before. कुछ नया ढूंढते रहते हैं, और मैंने कभी कॉमेडी की नहीं थी, and especially during lockdown I realized that, you know, when you're sitting with your family, you want to watch something जो सब actually साथ में बैठ के देख सकते हैं. So we were struggling to find. So we were going back to the old films. We saw a lot of Priyadarshan films. We saw Panchayat had come out that time. So everybody would watch it together और सब बहुत खुश होके देखते थे. और जब मैं कुछ ऐसा सीरियस या लगा जो मुझे लगता था कि अच्छा है, या my brother would want to watch, my parents would not really enjoy it. पता नहीं वो शायद मन में तब से था that I would want to be part of something like this, जो सब लोग ऐसे अपने घर में बैठ के देखें when they are struggling to find something nice. And Dupaiya, I think, came that time, which I think I had to say yes for this.
Yeah, no, you can see why it is that show. Before I jump into individual questions, I want to ask your experience of working with each other.
I think especially to be working with Gajraj sir, you get to learn a lot. Not just your craft improves, not just about the craft, but how to be with others on set. I think that's what I've really taken away from him. That's my big takeaway. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
I did not enjoy working with these guys, yeah. Not at all. These guys are really mean, selfish, self-centered.
This is why I didn't take a name, man.
Yeah.
Narcissists. See again?
Yeah.
He didn't even take my name.
Yeah.
These guys are big narcissists, and as much as you can avoid working with these guys, you should. And my basically a message to all the actors who think that, you know, Mr. Gajraj Rao is a great actor, we all want to work with him, we all want to learn with him. No, Baba. Big mistake. On set, demon. This guy, loudmouth, newcomer, thinking he knows everything, arrogance pro max. I
She's looking
hated
away,
working
she's
with
like,
these guys. So this was us all the time, just pulling each other's leg.
Cool, yeah. Thank you,
And
guys.
yeah, there's a healthy, happy environment.
Thank you, guys. I'm done.
See you,
with it.
yeah, see you.
Oh,
Take
no.
care.
अच्छा कोई नहीं आजा कोई नहीं
No,
वैसे
sir,
भी
please
मेरे
take
को-
care of him, sir.
हम बात करेंगे डिस्कस
No,
करेंगे
sir, he's-
Next,
he's
अगले
talking
सीजन में
bullshit, sir.
अगले सीजन में रोल कटवा देंगे इसका
तू क्या रोडीज की शूटिंग कर रहा है?
I'm gonna insert dramatic music.
To be very honest, this set has been the best experience for all of us. Not just the actors, but the director, the producers. हमने सबने बहुत मजे किए हैं. And I'm sure a lot of people get confused कि हम actually कर रहे हैं क्या कुछ. We have become so, and it started with him actually, Gajraj sir. क्योंकि ये सबसे सीनियर थे, इन्होंने आके सबको ऐसे बुली करना और सब एक्टिंग करने लग गए and everybody started joining him one after one. So I looked that way and I thought people were getting serious. पर ये सब it's all drama. It's the bond we all share, and I've said this enough number of times and I don't think so it will still be enough that this is the best experience as an actor. As a person, as a human being, like I've connected with everybody and we all adore each other's work. And as like we have, Gajraj sir, after every interview, he comes and tells us that, oh, kya answer de rahe ho tum, how fun you guys are. So he never leaves a chance to praise you and lifts you up.
Absolutely. And you know, as actors, whenever we shoot, it's basically we all become, for that window of time, we are all family to each other. And thankfully ours was a happy one.
बेसिकली क्या होता है तंजीम, जो हमारा शूटिंग है, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ये जो प्रोजेक्ट है ये एक ट्रेन जर्नी की जैसा है, जिसके अंदर यूजुअली 24 घंटे 48 घंटे की ट्रेन जर्नी होती है. तो समझ लो कि ये 1 महीने की ट्रेन जर्नी है और आपके को पैसेंजर हैं, सामने वाले सीट पे बैठे हुए हैं, ऊपर वाले सीट पे बैठे हैं, साइड वाले सीट पे बैठे हैं, अगले कूपे में हैं. आप यूजुअली ट्रेन में ना दोस्तियाँ हो जाती हैं कुछ घंटे बाद ही. आप कहाँ जा रहे हैं, मौसम की बात, अच्छा सोलन से हैं आप, ओ अच्छा जबलपुर में तो मेरी मौसी रहती है. तो आपका सफ़र अच्छा कट जाता है जब आप कम्युनिकेशन में होते हैं, खाना शेयर कर लेते हैं, ताश खेल लेते हैं, मेरे सामान का ध्यान रखना, मैं चाय लेकर आता हूँ. तो उसी तरह से जब आप शूटिंग सेट के ऊपर आप 15-20 दिन 40 दिन एक दूसरे से थोड़ा सा कनेक्टेड रहते हैं ना, तो आपका काम आसान हो जाता है. वो जो सफ़र है उसमें आप सफ़र नहीं करते हैं, मेमोरीज अच्छी बनती है. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि यादें अच्छी होनी चाहिए, क्योंकि एज एन एक्टर हमें मज़े लेने के पैसे तो नहीं मिलते हैं, हमें तो रोल करने के पैसे मिलते हैं. मज़े जो हैं वो तो एडेड है, बोनस है. वो तो हम लोग क्रिएट कर लेते हैं, हम लोग चुरा लेते हैं वो, ताकि वो जो प्रोसेस है वो बोरिंग ना हो जाए. कि जब हमें एक्टिंग करनी है वहाँ पे ऐसा थोड़ी कि सेट पे सोनम हमें डायरेक्ट कर रही है और हम बोले यार मज़े तो आया ही नहीं है, ये सीन ख़राब होगा. वो तो हम अच्छा करेंगे ही करेंगे, वो जितना बेस्ट कर सकते हैं. लेकिन उसके बीच में जो ये जो मोमेंट्स होते हैं ना, ये एडहेसिव का काम करते हैं. जब हमारी पर्सनल बॉन्डिंग अच्छी होगी, मज़े कर रहे होंगे, तो जब सीन में होंगे तब हम उस समय हमारी इनसिक्योरिटी नहीं होगी एक दूसरे को लेकर, एक दूसरे को शायद हम सपोर्ट करेंगे एक अच्छे से. तो ये मुझे, और मोस्टली ज़्यादातर सेट पे मेरी ऐसी दोस्तियाँ हो जाती हैं.
बड़े फ्रेंडली टाइप के हैं.
हाँ, ये नहीं तो लाइफ बड़ी छोटी है.
और
कोविड के बाद से तो और रियलाइज करता हूँ मैं, कोविड के बाद से तो
लोग इतना मिस करते थे.
कार्ड बोलने मत दीजिए मुझे. कोविड के बाद से रियलाइज किया कि लाइफ बहुत छोटी है, ज्यादा छोटी, जितना मैं इमेजिन करता था उससे भी ज्यादा छोटी है. तो हर दिन एक आपका पुनर्जन्म हो रहा है. ये अभी हाँ आज हमारा पुनर्जन्म है. आज हमें ये जो दिन मिला है, हम लोग बड़े खुशकिस्मत हैं, आपसे बात हो रही है, ये सब लोग बैठे हुए हैं, बाहर खाने वाने लगे हुए हैं, वो बाहर दूसरे जर्नलिस्ट बैठे हुए हैं, ये हम खुशकिस्मत हैं हम लोग।
Absolutely.
तो इसको सेलिब्रेट करना चाहिए, इसको एंजॉय करना चाहिए।
Love that. That's so well put. I feel like I just got a nice pep talk. It's nice.
खत्म करें?
No, sir. I actually want to stay with you. I feel like you play the endearing father so well. Even here, like your character is like your kids are, I guess, making some very whimsical kind of choices, and you're just like, oh, okay, let me figure this out. So tell me about like nailing, you know, that kind of, because I feel like a lot of people will see you and just, you know, like just their hearts will go out to you.
The credit goes to the script. 50% script, 40% director और 10% मेरा है, उसके अंदर चवन्नी अठन्नी, that's it.
But why do you go for these characters? Like what attracts you the most?
ये रोल अट्रैक्ट करते हैं मुझे, मैं नहीं आता हूँ, मेरे पास तो अभी क्योंकि उस एज ग्रुप में वो ज़्यादा चॉइसेस नहीं होती हैं। भुवन के पास जो चॉइसेस हैं या इस लड़के के पास जो चॉइसेस हैं, मेरे पास उतने ज़्यादा डिफरेंट रोल्स आते ही नहीं हैं।
नहीं, also sir, there's a reason you had. सर का फेस बहुत endearing है ना, like when you pick from a lot, थोड़ा सा एक टफनेस जो लोगों के चेहरे पे, like when you're playing a father, usually people of a certain age, उनके चेहरे पे एक टफनेस होती है। सर आपका बहुत there is a lot of innocence, like
टफी फेस है मेरा।
नहीं
No,
सर,
but I beg to differ on that.
Yes.
Watch him in Amir, man. He's fantastic. I mean, like,
Thank you.
it's I don't know. I feel it's limiting him to call him that. I feel he's fantastic, and he is so good in all the roles that he does.
Thank you.
And और ये तो अभी मैं कह रहा हूँ ना, is because you know there is this trend. We as a fraternity we follow a trend. When somebody you know showcases their talent very prominently in a certain part, we have a tendency to cast them repetitively in certain kind of parts. But he has been a part of the fraternity for a very, very long time, and I recognized him first time, you know, wholeheartedly. I loved him in Amir, and he was fantastic in the film. And it's not even remotely close to Badhai Ho or Ardupahiya or any other film.
पर भुवन उसके अंदर भी है। मेरे साड़ू साहब हैं राजस्थान से, उनका फोन आया, राज जी ये आमिर देखिए आपकी पिक्चर, पूरा तो आपको अंधेरे में रखा है, डायरेक्टर को आपको काम पसंद नहीं आया क्या? लिटरली और वो मजाक नहीं कर रहे थे, सीरियसली बोला उन्होंने। मैंने कहा नहीं हाँ।
आपने कितना अच्छा आपने हेडवेट शिफ्ट किया था उसके लिए, और कितना बढ़िया था वो। इज वेरी वेरी नाइस।
थैंक यू। चलो वापस आते हैं।
Yeah, no, you've raised a great point. Yeah, Sparsh. So I just feel this is, you know, like after Lapata Ladies, I guess a lot of people are excited to see, you know, what you're doing next, what you're up to. Was it daunting to introduce people to like a new character, like, or was it just felt like an extension of yourself?
Yeah, I don't think too much when I pick a role. It should just excite me. A lot of people, you know, back me by saying that, you know, it's again a village boy character, I think you should avoid. But you see the character, it got so many other different traits that really excited me. I see them different from what I've done in the past. So yeah, it never daunts me. I think I'm up for an experiment, and I'm up for something that is challenging me as an actor. I would always go for that.
Yeah, and it's so funny because he's so flamboyant,
Yeah, he
and he's
is.
like making these reels,
Yeah.
and I guess like a lot of reelers will relate to
Yo,
this.
man, I mean, we have been in that time where TikTok got launched in India, and we were watching all those cringe reels happening, and then post then on Instagram also. So I think मैं उन सबको represent कर रहा हूँ.
And did, since all of you are actors, did you relate to that? Because there's that aspiration, right? That raw aspiration कि मैं ये shoot करूँगा, directors को बताऊँगा, and that's it. This character is a aspiring actor, right? Like
Star.
he wants to show his reels to directors,
Right.
and he really wants to break into the industry in Bombay.
Right.
So since you all actors, I was just wondering that can you recall, you know, one of your initial thoughts where you were just like, I'm gonna be an actor?
Yeah. So there was time in between, Tanzim, where your social media presence was of utmost importance for you to be cast in a project. There was this unfortunate time in between where your capability was measured by the number of followers that you have on your social media. And yeah, it did put pressure on me, if I talk about myself, for a very limited period of time, where I felt that it's really important for an actor to be relevant on social media for him to get, you know, good projects. and it daunted me. Yes, it did daunt me for a while. I don't know whether I wanted to be like Bhugol, because it's just not my personality. I don't really relate to that kind of, and I have immense respect for people who are able to do that, because that's a skill that I don't possess. I don't have that. So I definitely, it did daunt me for a while that, you know, it's important, and it was unfortunate at that point of time. But then, like how every trend comes and goes, people understood that it's a fad, and there is a huge difference between being a social media influencer and being an actor. So I think in due time people realized that fact. But yeah, there was a time then where we all wanted to be relevant on social media, push content, and, you know, trying our best to sort of make TikTok videos, reel videos, and people were generating wealth out of it left, right, and center, and we were still hustling, looking for good content. So yeah, it used to daunt me, and I would think that, oh my God, these guys are making so much money out of it. You know, I might as well try that myself. I'm a funny guy in life, so I hope, and so I think. So I thought, yeah, might as well sort of amplify my talent. But I think I failed miserably. And so does Bhugol on the show. And yeah, that was a small snippet where I did actually feel the pressure of being relevant on social media.
And was any of you know, the reels that you were shooting, like how much of it was improvised?
All of it. Yeah, because before TikTok, I think there was an application called Dubsmash.
Yeah. But that was fun.
That was fun, man.
That was fun.
It's pretty similar to what
Yeah.
TikTok and
No,
Reels
but
is.
TikTok was thoda aur. You had to be like really original. Dubsmash, you just had to mime lines and be like that.
Yeah. But then long back in that time, I used to make Dubsmash videos. So I think I had a lot of, what do you call it? Archive material, like archive bank of reels, which I reopened. And then I did all of it in the series. Like I was the one who come and tell Sonam ma'am that, ma'am, you know, we can do this. This was really viral back then. We can recreate something like this. So yeah, I have made a lot of reels in the show.
That. So funny. About your character, I feel like she, again, another ambitious young girl who wants to get out of
Wants to go
Dharakpur,
city.
wants to go to the city.
CT. You gotta say it like that, Tanzim.
City.
City. She wants to go to the city. How many, you know, like I'm sure like a lot of women will also like look at that and kind of maybe relate to it. So how much does that character resonate with you as well?
Yeah, actually, Roshni till date is the only character I have not resonated with. I had resonated with Jazz. I understand. Roshni is one so naive and so innocent. She's a dreamer. I think she's a dreamer with the voice. उसको वो ऐसी नहीं है, मतलब like how we are all a little corrupted because of the circumstances. We have all grown up a little faster than I think. We can't retain the innocence because there's too much happening. We're absorbing so much through social media, and obviously we are all growing fast. But Roshni, when you know I read her, I'm like, it's unbelievable that she's a certain, she's 23, 24, and she talks as if like, oh, she hasn't seen the world. She's so far from the real world. She lives in her dream, but at the same time, she wants what she wants. So I think it's a beautiful character, very different from who I am as a person, but I loved to kind of, you know, portray her and imbibe her. It was fun.
And you were amazing. Lastly, because we're running out of time, I want to ask everyone, you know, I feel like when we go international as like an industry, when we present our movies, it's so not surprising actually, because this is such good content, but you see something like a Lapata Ladies and All We Imagine As Light, like we see these things perform so well at festivals, at they make awards buzz, you know, like internationally. So tell me about this phenomenon where rooted stories, like very specific rooted stories that you think that people would not even really know about it or care that much about it, but people care so deeply, like here and internationally.
So what do you think?
नहीं तो बता ना, तेरे तो लापता लेडीज तो तूने रिप्रेजेंट किया था. तेरे से
Are you asking like why people enjoy such movies in the
Yeah, like what is your take on, you know, like how like earlier we were not, you know, like we wanted to make something that looks international, but abhi jo zyada rooted hai wo zyada.
Because now I think we have a lot of stuff that looks international. So now people are looking for something that looks rooted. Maybe because of that. We have already seen a lot of international stuff going on around the globe, and now people want to watch what real India looks like or what the rural side of it looks like. And we have a lot of amazing stories coming from the rural land. So why not? I mean, maybe that's the prime reason. We enjoy, because the type of world we all are living in, it is international in a way. I mean, we have all the resources right in front of us. But to see a village happening, to see how people talk there, it's fascinating. It's exciting to watch them. You know, it's a joyful experience to watch people from village. Maybe because of that also.
I think I would want to add something
Please.
to that. We were aspiring. There is art that we aspire for, which probably we have been trying. Or in that process, we started discarding our own stories. And now people are, जो आपके दिल के करीब होती है, जो आपकी असली कहानी होती है, उसके साथ आप इतने truthful होते हो ना कि your soul relates to it. You know, you have seen this. So I think जो आपको पता है जब आप वो बात कहते हैं और जो आप imagine करके कहते हैं, उसमें थोड़ा difference होता है. So now people, when they are pulling those stories out, जो उन्होंने देखी है, जो उनके आसपास हुई है, I think people are relating because that's more honest. I think be it international, be it India, जहाँ पर भी आप honest storytelling करेंगे, वहाँ पर I think people are going to relate to it and people are going to like it.
That's where the entire, I feel, majority of India lies, you know. India comprises of villages in majority, not. So I feel that when a person from a small town or per se a village comes to a city and sees a mall, he gets fascinated. So OTT in general as a platform, now I know it's spreading and at a really high pace, but was generally meant for urban audiences. And when they get to see what and where true India lies, I think they relish it. The feeling is same. A small towner coming to a city and watching a mall, getting fascinated by it, or an urban person seeing the heart of India and getting fascinated by it. So I feel India is really rich when it comes to storytelling, and there is still ample stories to be told, which will come from the heart of India, and the heart of India lies in the villages.
Definitely. Sir, do you want to weigh in?
Same.
I see why you appointed
Copy
him as
paste.
your...
Control C, Control V.
Control C, yes.
I see it. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank
This was
you.
a lovely
Thank you,
chat.
Tanzim.
Thank you.
Thank you.
By the way, what's the meaning of your name again?
Department. Department.
Means,
department.
I'm gonna go with
bringing
Bringing things
together.
together, right? And did somebody tell you that, or you figured it out on your own?
Oh God.